In this video, I will show you how to import products from Zendrop to Shopify. So step number 1 is to link Zendrop to your Shopify store. If you haven't done that yet and you're not sure how to do it, I've created a video about that recently and I'll just link that one down in the description. So if you have not yet done that, then first watch that video and then come back. So after doing that, go to the Find Product section, and here you're just gonna find a product that you want to add onto your Shopify store. You can also request a product if you have a specific product in mind. Now, for example, ships from, I'm going to set it to the US to find a US product. Now, I don't really want to do clothing, so I'll just go with, for example, automotive. And then here I could find some kind of a product. And for example, I will take this product right here. So simply open it up and then you can see the product cost, shipping costs, the images. And in order to then import it, just click on add to my products right there. You can also order a sample if you'd like to, but then head over into your product section right here. Then here click review and publish. Now here you can just change the product name, the collection. You can go to your description and change the description, although it is pretty good already. You can change the variants and the images that you would like to, and then just click on publish to my store once you're done. And now you will see it's publishing, and then after it's published, it will say linked. So you will see it's the Big Design Nature Rechargeable Flashlight. If I now go to my Shopify store and click products right here, you will now see that I have it right here and it's now linked to my store, and you can also see the inventory, so 74 in stock. So that is how you can actually import products from Zendrop to your Shopify store. Now again, if you want to learn how to link your Shopify store to your Zendrop store, then watch the video that I'll leave down in the description. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.